Crude oil daily forecast, April 26, fxempire.com. Looking at the light sweet crude market, you can see that we had a strong showing during the Thursday market, and we actually plowed as high as $94 or a cent or two shy of that area before the market pushed price back down. We have to admit we're pretty surprised. We figured right around 92.50 would be enough to keep this market down, and it obviously went farther than we had anticipated. However, having said that, we see enough noise in the charts just above, especially in this area here, um, that it's really difficult to go long at this point. And even if we were so inclined to do so, we would almost have to see some type of pullback that showed signs of support. So essentially, there's really not a lot to do in this market right now, unless, of course, we see a resistive candle, something like a shooting star, or something that struggles at, say, 95. In the meantime, we're simply going to observe. The move's been a little bit parabolic, so it should be running out of steam fairly soon. Nonetheless, though, we do not have a trade signal either way. Looking over at the Brent market, you can see it's a little bit different story in the sense that we haven't really hit the resistance area that we had talked about previously, the 104 level. We haven't quite got there yet, and we think that's the next thing that's going to happen. This market will find that level. Now, whether or not it can get above there is an entirely different argument. Again, it's a situation where even if we were inclined to go long in this market, we would have to see some type of pullback with support. We think more likely than not, what we'll do is we'll see an attempt to break through this area and then some type of failure. That being the case, a short-term trader will find the 103 to the 104 area enough of a move at least to be involved. But anybody who trades anything more than the short-term charts will struggle really to find a trade until we get some type of resistive candle in this general vicinity.